Sam read Twilight.
Sam read Twilight and she loved it.
I did not love it. I said I liked it a lot.
She said she's
She's
like
team.
this,
Okay,
like
what
this,
are you? Team
like this.
Edward or Team Jacob?
She hasn't read
But I haven't. I've only read
She
the
hasn't read
first.
New Moon
I
yet.
don't
so she
care.
can't.
She has to be something right now.
I saw
ask her that.
pictures. I don't like his hair.
So
Me neither.
Team Edward.
Hopefully it gets better looking.
Team Edward.
I
Or
am
team. This sucks.
I'm team both. I love Jacob and I love Edward. I'm team Switzerland.
But you're wearing an Edward shirt.
Okay, I love Jacob, but I'm in love with Edward.
You see, I'm not in love with him. I love him.
You're in love with him.
Yeah, but I don't like.
In love is
I don't.
Fictional character.
I don't care.
Sam read the book. Sam read the book.
Sam read the
This is why I waited to tell you guys.
Should have waited longer.
I should have, right?
When are you gonna read the book?
So like the last.
You're gonna read the book.
When are
You are
read
gonna
the
read the book.
When it came out on DVD, that's
Oh,
what I
you're
should
so
have told them.
boring.
Oh, by the way.
I'm gonna write a new book.
Ask her Rosanna.
Write it.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Where does she live?
Not
She lives kind of far. But like not like Homestead far, but like
Sunlight.
kind of farish.
Do you want me to go with you?
Like it.
If you want, it depends. Like, do you want to go to the theater and like
You wanna leave the car there and then go?
and then we go?
They're talking.
Wanna do that?
Yeah.
And the thing is still rolling.
Yeah, well, we're making
We're
plans.
documenting-
I have to document everything I
Yes,
do.
because today is the day. This is
You know,
before.
she texted me at 7:30 this morning. Happy Twilight Day.
I know. She's like, too.
It's like, what the fuck?
This is us before we see the movie.
Ah, shaking.
I need to watch it by myself because I can't handle it.
Don't tell me. Don't tell me. I don't want to know.
I heard reviews though.
I heard reviews too.
I heard
Most
reviews
mixed.
too.
Mixed.
I heard reviews too, and I don't care because you have to read the book. It's a different experience if you read the
Movie
book.
critics are just
Different than the
sticks
book,
up
at
their
least from the previews that I saw.
It is.
It is, but
it's not the same. It's not gonna be perfect, I admit. But I'm going in with it with an open mind.
crap, I'm gonna see video.
You go, you.
Okay, everyone say bye.
Say bye.
Say bye.
What do I have to say bye?
Oh,
Okay.
he's a vampire now.
Batman.
Batman's a
Bye.
vampire.
No, but